Cistus heterophyllus subspecies Carthaginensis, recovering the most endangered plant of Spanish flora. In 1986, the plant was discovered in Valencia after 29 years, believing it was extinct from Iberian flora. Unlike other plants, Cistus heterophyllus subspecies Carthaginensis needs another individual to interbreed in order to have descendants, and it is the only known plant in this sense. Its extinction seemed inevitable. This is the story of the effort to avoid it becoming extinct. Once it was recognized as a critically endangered plant in several national and regional catalogues, different ways of conserving and recovering it began to be investigated. In the 90s, in vitro cloning was carried out, from which genetically identical clones were obtained, but they were not able to reproduce, as well as having undesirable mutations. Surprisingly, in May 2012, something quite unexpected happened. The Valencian plant produced a unique fruit with 3 seeds, of which 2 germinated. In autumn of that same year, when visiting the wild plant, it was observed that a branch was broken, and it was used to prepare cuttings from which another 5 clones were obtained, but this time without any mutations. In 2013, the plant produced 28 fruits with 100 seeds, 15 of which germinated and new plants were grown. The first completely viable generation of plants was obtained from the cuttings and seed germination. This was the base to recover the species and create new populations. Nowadays, some of these plants can be seen at Oceanogràfic, which produces seeds that are then used to introduce plants in the natural environment.